Okay, we are in Abilene. Next to their zoo, they had this lovely pond. They also have dog parks here for large and small. I was so excited to see that. Here we have some ducks on the lake enjoying this beautiful day. Oh, it's just wonderful. Isn't this gorgeous? It's so pretty here. This is where the zoo is, in the entranceway right here. Parking lots, and across the street is where the dog parks are. It is wonderful. Well, we're going to do a little stroll around this lake and enjoy the beauty of everything. Alright? Beach Cricket out! They also have a wonderful children's playground right here. This is fantastic. This is a wonderful area. And then all the little sidewalk pathways. Little picnic area over there. Looks like they have tennis courts over there. This is just outstanding. Wow, what a treasure. Okay, the tour begins. Some more. Beach Cricket out. Okay, these guys are making a bunch of noise. I'm going into the water. Meeting those over there. I'm going over here. Music. They're singing lovely, aren't they? And having a good time. There's a big flock of them over here. I think they're making a bunch of noise because of my pups. Let's see if I can get closer. Beach Cricket out! This is such a wonderful place to have found today. Look at this trail going around the pond. We have two. Well, actually, there's another pond over there too as well, for all the ducks and fish. They have an immense playground area. It is just fantastic here in Abilene, Texas. This spot right here is right off of I-20, and you just can't beat it. It's got the zoo here. It's just simply a treasure. Love it. Wow. Beach Cricket out. That's wonderful, isn't it? They have a program like this? Wonderful.